Subtracting 3-digit numbers using vertical method. In this module, you will learn to subtract 3-digit numbers using bundles of 10 and loose sticks, and subtract vertically by writing the numbers in appropriate columns of ones, tens, and hundreds. Neil's teacher told him to collect as many empty bottles for a recycling project. Within a month, he has collected 342 bottles. His teacher takes out 187 bottles. He wants to know how many bottles are left with him. For this, he needs to subtract 187 from 342. Therefore, in case of counting the number of bottles one by one, which can take a longer time, he uses bundles of hundreds, tens, and loose sticks to perform the subtraction. You remember these bundles of tens and loose sticks, which you must have seen in grade 2 animations. You know up to 9 loose sticks, we can't make a bundle. To make a bundle of 10, we include 1 loose stick in 9 loose sticks. We get a bundle of 10. If we have 10 such bundles, we combine the bundles and get one bigger bundle of 100. That is, 10 bundles of 10 are equal to 100 loose sticks. So, to subtract, Neil represents the bigger number using bundles of hundreds, tens, and loose sticks. He represents 342 by using 3 bundles of 100, 4 bundles of 10, and 2 loose sticks. Then he writes both the numbers vertically under hundreds, tens, and ones column. He starts subtracting from ones. He finds out that 7 ones can't be subtracted from 2 ones. That is, he can't take away 7 loose sticks from 2 loose sticks. Therefore, he borrows 1 bundle of 10 and opens it. 10 loose sticks plus 2 loose sticks becomes 12 loose sticks. Now, he easily takes away 7 loose sticks from 12 loose sticks. 5 loose sticks are left. In the place value system, he records a calculation by making 2 ones, 12 ones, by borrowing 1 10 from 4 tens, as he did the same using bundles of 10 and loose sticks. Then to subtract 8 tens from 3 tens, that is, 80 from 30, he borrowed 1 bundle of 100 from 3 bundles of 100 and open it up. Now, he takes away 8 bundles of 10 from 13 bundles of 10. 5 bundles of 10 are left. In the place value system, he records a calculation by making 3 tens, 13 tens, by borrowing 100 from 3 hundreds, as he did the same using bundles of hundreds and tens. At last, he takes out 1 bundle of 100 from 2 bundles of 100. He is left with 1 bundle of 100, 5 bundles of 10, and 5 loose sticks, which make a number 155. In the place value system, he records a calculation by subtracting 100 from 200s, as he did the same using bundles of hundreds. Hence, he gets to know that he is left with 155 bottles. Let's recap. We can subtract 3-digit numbers using bundles of 10 and loose sticks. And we can also subtract vertically by writing the numbers in appropriate columns of ones, tens, and hundreds.